What's up, YouTube? It's Destroyer Motors. We back with another banger, man. This video, we about to go to a car meet or a truck meet. I think it's both for real. I don't know, but I know it's like a car meet though. In Fort Worth, it's me and the Slow Boys. That's what y'all might as well call us. And how did another look? I thought it got out the car and it didn't. Unless it just flew in. He gonna be stuck in here. Ain't no way. Let me open the sunroof.
Go past this light, then at the
See
next
if he
one,
get out like
turn
that.
right.
I ain't about to be driving with no bug in the car. I'm not. Oh my God, so much dust fell. I don't know where it went, but yeah, that's what we about to be on. And I'm gonna cut the camera back on when something exciting happen or when I get there.
I told him y'all should start Instagram.
Low key.
Not yet. No, start it now. Start it now.
It's a hard line up. On the front. That's how we coming, man. They got the HEMI right here. 5.0.
Back though. Everybody wants to go back right there.
Got the HEMI right here. HEMI with the diffuser. It's like a scab. It's this. No, it's a ZL1. Damn. That's mean. That's hard right there. Another Camaro. Got a GT Mustang. Got a truck pulling in. That's hard. Ain't got no. Got the truck. Look like a scat, I think. Let me get this truck. That's hard. Got a Miata right here. Got the 300. Y'all hard. That should sound good too, bro. That's it, hard. Damn. Hey, bro, you gotta get my Instagram. Hell yeah. Oh, back to back. That shit clean. This one yours? Bro, that's hard.
They're hanging out.
Huh?
They're hanging out.
God damn.
Hey, they're friend here, so I can't turn them up all the way.
Sorry. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they probably hit.
Hard. Nah, bro. Appreciate you, though. Getting off the glass. Oh, it look like glass. Damn. Got a line up of trucks. Got all the trucks. Talking about damn it, boy. I wonder how he see through that. He probably can. I don't know where my homeboys went. They got the truck right here. Is that them? No, that's not them. lights that be crazy. These trucks are. I need to zoom out. I got this boy all zoomed in. They got the flicking lights on his. Bro, this truck hard as hell. This is my by far favorite car over here. Or truck at least. Well, not a car, so I'm gonna do it all. That's all. Mustang. You on drag tires too. Oh shit, let's look at these lights. Bullshit, I do want to buy one though. Where did that? Oh, they over here. They got real metal going. Oh, this one right here. Damn, I'm right in the rock. Oh yeah, we good now. Got no parking. Damn, this is dope. Bro, I gotta get stars. This is crazy.
This is like the perfect amount too.
Bro, it's literally perfect. Oh, I gotta get stars.
You got the stars too. That's a HEMI.
That's a HEMI. Oh, they both about to. I'm about to get better.
Let's get a little bit behind this. Everyone's gonna go stupid, bro.
God damn. 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 God damn.
I know his car too.
Go crazy, dude. God damn, a rock hit me. A rock hit me, bro. Hit me in my toe. God damn, that shit hurt. Damn. I just want to see that scat slide. Bro, I got hit in the toe, bro. That shit hurted like a piece. Damn. I'm gonna stop doing burnouts. They talking about no more slide. The police said it was fun while it lasted. What's up, YouTube? Leaving the meet right now, man. It was cool. It was cool. It was way better than the last meet. But leaving, police starting to get deep. Man, I don't want to be here while the police, a bunch of police, for example, it's going to be up here probably trying to, do extra stuff. I don't want to be here for that. So, we leaving. I don't know. They might go to the next spot. I'm about to go to the house. Oh, and while they was sliding, I got hit in the toe. Oh, my God. My toe is in pain right now. They was sliding on rocks. I got hit in the toe hard. But I'll cut the camera back on if anything else happened. If nothing else happened, it's the end of the video, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. The RT 345 Charger, as y'all seen. Yours truly. Headlights hard as hell.
Nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?